Hello everyone, welcome to all. Today we will discuss about the subsidy related to battery electrical vehicles in Delhi. The Delhi government has announced in August 2020 related to subsidy in electrical vehicles in two-wheelers and four-wheelers. In two-wheeler section, the subsidy started from 5,000 per kilowatt up to 30,000, maximum up to 30,000, and in four-wheeler section the government is providing subsidy starting from 10,000 to maximum about 1.5 lakh rupees. This subsidy is for the adoption of BEV, that is battery electrical vehicles, and the government is interested to increase the use of battery electrical vehicles up to 25% of new registrations up to 2024. It is also beneficial for the jobs, employments and jobs, and this subsidy will limited up to for 3 years from the date of this issue of this letter, that is August 2020. So in two-wheeler section 5,000 subsidy will be provided per kilowatt. As the battery capacity will increase in two-wheelers, the subsidy will increase maximum up to 30,000 rupees, and in four-wheeler section per kilowatt 10,000 subsidy will be provided, and as the battery capacity will increase, the maximum subsidy can be allotted up to 1.5 lakh rupees. Government is also providing subsidy, these incentives for the tax benefit, and this subsidy will come from FAME India second phase scheme of central government. It helps in benefit of taxes. This scheme is also helpful for installing charging stations. Various types of subsidies are there related to it. Government is also provided subsidy and helping hand in R&D related to electrical vehicles, and majorly due to the use of the batteries, the government is interested for the recycling of the battery, and for this they are also providing various aids in R&Ds. Mainly this scheme is for adoption of electric vehicles and reduction of vehicle pollution, which is the major problem at the present in Delhi. And for four-wheeler sections, the first 1,000 e-cars or electrical vehicles will get this subsidy. So this is a limited period offer, and this is for first come first serve basis. So that's for all today. Thanks.